how to change the size of your icons in Windows 10. So here we are on the desktop. As you can see, I have two icons, recycle bin and the folder that I just called example for this tutorial. So all we're going to do is just right click on the desktop. The submenu will pop up. From the view tab, go over and you'll notice there are three options for medium, small, and large icons. So if we go ahead and click on the small icons, you'll notice that the example folder has become very small, and the recycle bin has actually managed to somehow disappear to another monitor of mine. But there we have it. So those icons are now small, and we can go back and go to view again, right click, submenu, view tab, large icons. This is what we'll do now, and you can see now they're they're larger. Please keep in mind though that when you do create or modify the size of the icons, it will push them around to fit the current formatting of the desktop with its so basically they're like little squares around the desktop. As you can see, when you hover over an icon, you can see the little square outside edging of it. Basically the desktop is formatted for only a certain amount of these squares, and so when you change the size, it pushes all the squares that were in it before it and makes those get pushed over, so now they're on a different spot on the desktop, but they are larger now so you can see them clearer. And so if we want to go back to make them just medium again, remember, right click from the submenu, view tab, go back over, medium icons, and they have now been pushed back to not even their original starting spot. So please keep in mind that when you do this though, it may mess up their current location. But that's how you change and modify the size of icons from the desktop in Windows 10.